Look who's coming to eat with us. Show you because I just came to the most Instagrammable place in Ibiza right now. So I have chosen a selection. This is fig bread, some orange marmalade, one cherry. I've been very contained because we have a lunch straight after, so I don't even know. And I've ordered an acai bowl because this is sort of like an all-you-can-eat buffet, so this is my all-you-can-eat situation. So I just got my toenails done. I'll show you later because you can't see anything here. Maybe here. I got like a shrimp pink. Somewhere in between a seashell pink and a shrimp color. And as always, what should have been a really simple service has turned into a bit of a nightmare. So I have spent about 2 hours because I was going for a pedicure and then they said that my mom could come straight after for a mani, and then once my mom came they were like, oh actually we have someone coming straight after, so they didn't have time, so they just took off her polish and were quite ready to send her home. And I was like, no, we need the polish done. And the services here are so bad, they don't even blink an eye when they do something like that to you. So in the end we decided to stay and wait until the end of their next appointment so that she could have her nails done. Anyway, just everybody being really rude, Spanish style. Hi, we're at Salinas, we're finished. But I just wanted to say that we have had such a wonderful experience with a taxi driver. It wasn't even a taxi driver, because I don't know if I've mentioned that taxis here are an absolute wreck and a robbery. So what I did is I belong to a Facebook group, a local one, and I could find a guy who was willing to take us basically. And he was such a nice guy, and every time I meet, he was a Mexican guy. Every time I meet someone from Mexico, they're so amazingly nice compared to people from Spain. They're just, customer service is so much better understood, and they're more cordial, and he was just such a wonderful person, and it made me feel hopeful. So Mommy and I are off to Ibiza town. It's our last day here, so we've decided to go there, have a little walk. I'm wearing this really nice dress. It's a vintage. I'm placing an order with Ocado. And you know, I'm completely uninspired. This happens every time I need to place an order. I ordered some gazpacho, literally things like a cucumber, a lemon, and I don't know what else to get. Ooh, do you know this is a really nice fruit shop? Oh, cherries. Okay, I should order cherries. I'm on my way to this bookshop because I've had on my mind to publish a book for the longest time, and I'm still thinking about it. There's a lot of research to do, because basically everything costs money nowadays. It's just, you don't get anything out of it, it just costs money. I'm going to take this book because it looks really interesting. It's about this thing called Art Brut, and it's in Spanish, which is good because I'm losing my Spanish. Honestly, I never practice it, and I can't think of the words anymore. It's really embarrassing. You know what I really like about this library? They have all the Clairefontaine papers, and they are gorgeous. And the notebooks.